we're going to see how we can be able to withdraw our fund from Binance. How to withdraw funds, crypto. So in this case, you can withdraw either crypto or fiat. From the withdraw button, you can withdraw crypto or cash to another crypto wallet or to your bank account. We will use BTC as an example. So when you click on BTC or any crypto you want to withdraw, it will take you to the page where you can be able to put in your address. So here we can put the amount or click on max to withdraw whole balance. Here is the address, and you should make sure the address corresponds to your coin. Is that if you want to withdraw BTC, the address should be BTC address. If not, you will lose your fund. So you enter the amount, you enter the address, and click withdrawal. So when you click on the withdrawal button, it will ask you to confirm the withdrawal. And also, Binance will definitely send you an email address in order to verify that you are the one making the withdrawal. And immediately you confirm the withdrawal, you wait for between 24 hours, your withdrawal will be made. So how to withdraw funds, the fiat. So when you click on the fiat and select the fiat you want to withdraw, you can withdraw if you have dollar on your Binance account, you can withdraw it to your bank account. If you have any other currency you are using, naira or so, or pounds or euro, and whatever currency you are using or fiat you are using, you can be able to withdraw it directly to your bank account. If you are withdrawing fiat, your fund will be sent to your bank account after selecting the payment method. This is based on different countries. The country you are, you might have a different option of withdrawing. So, but that's basically how to withdraw your funds, your cryptos, and also your fiat. Whichever one you want to withdraw, this is exactly how to withdraw, and it will be credited either in your other wallet account or your bank account in terms of fiat.